In this video, I will show you how to fix AI story effects not showing on your Instagram. So the first thing that you can do is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. From here, you will find this update button. Simply click on it and let your app get updated. Once your app is updated, what you can do is go and find the Instagram icon, click and hold on to it, then go to More Features, then go to App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you will find Clear Cache written in bright red. Click on it. After that, you can simply try opening up Instagram and the feature should already be there. And if it's still not there, then click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top right. Now scroll till the end. Here you will find Logout button. Click on it. Confirm logout, and after that log back into your account again, and then the feature will be there. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.